A Clopay door installed by Asheville's only master-authorized Clopay dealer, Asheville Garage Door, will make your home better insulated, more secure, and much quieter coming and going. With decades of experience and hundreds of satisfied customers, Asheville Garage Door can deliver residential, commercial, and industrial doors, docks, and even gates at a guaranteed low price. We do free estimates and deliver lots of options. Call Asheville Garage Door now at 828-255-0830 and let our pride and experience make your home beautiful.